don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. So
that's a video?
Yeah. So you're born and raised in Baguio City?
Yes, sir.
You,
I'm mostly
Belgian
and German, though.
Okay.
My mom's family's been there. A lot of German Americans came to fight wars and eventually got married there. On
wow.
my mother's side, my dad's full-on Belgian. So
that's awesome.
That's why I look this way.
Yeah, we were
not far from where I come from. 2-3 hours away, depending on where the province.
Yeah, from Pangasinan, from Anda. Yeah, we were there this past February. And we spent like the whole day in Baguio. It was beautiful. Went to the botanical garden, and they had the Japanese tunnels there that from World War II.
Right.
Yeah, that was awesome. Okay, so we're back from Virginia City. It was a really interesting place. Came back to the hotel, took a rest, and now we're going to have dinner at the Atlantis Casino Resort. They have an oyster bar, which we had dinner at the last time we were here, and it was really good. We really enjoyed it. So we're gonna go back tonight, check for traffic, no cars. All right, see you guys in a bit. Just these two?
Yeah, just these two right here, please.
All right, thank you. All right, so we're here at the oyster bar, and it's actually quite crowded. It was not this busy the last time. It's pretty crowded despite the coronavirus precautions. I mean, everyone is still seated 6 feet apart. Social distancing rules apply. We have to wear our face mask, but yeah, we're looking forward to eating some good food. I'm gonna order a red wine here, and we're still deciding what we're gonna eat.
Maybe one of this and one something over here.
Yeah, that sounds good. The bread has arrived, and the wine, and Gina's Thai mojito. Good. Merlot. Alright, so our appetizer just arrived. This is the calamari. Never seen calamari like this before. Long and they look like fish sticks. Tartar sauce. And what's the other one?
Cocktail.
Cocktail sauce, yeah. Alright, let's give it a try. Squeeze a lemon. gonna eat it like fish sticks, just with my fingers. Try it plain. Good. Much better than breakfast today. Cocktail sauce. Also good.
Very good.
And now with the tartar sauce. Still hot, but good. So we last ate here about 2 or 3 years ago. We came here with Anthony. We had 2 free nights at this hotel, the Atlantis, and we had dinner here. And the food was good then, and it's good again tonight. So we're looking forward to the main course. It was good with the wine. Uh-oh, I just choked on the wine. You don't want to cough too loud, people might get suspicious.
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
So we're thinking about doing a mukbang video. If you guys have been on YouTube, search for mukbang. Just basically people filming themselves eating and commenting on the food and just having random conversations.
You don't have it yet.
You want it? Yeah, I get the last calamari. If only I was this lucky at playing slots. Wow, well, entrees are here. Check this out. It's the seafood fettuccine and the San Francisco crab pot. This is Gina actually ordered this one, but we're gonna share. This is really thick lemon. I don't even know where to start. Should I start with that or with this? Let's start with this. You gonna try this? What did you try?
Mussel. What was it?
Good. I can taste the white wine. I think you put white wine in there. Pasta's good. Good sauce. Let's try this one. I use my fingers for this. That's good.
Toasted.
Hot, huh?
Delicious.
Some corn. Ooh, that's hot. Try the sauce?
No.
Hot. Ooh, that's flavorful. Oh man. Sweet corn.
It's like we got a bunch of tables.
So is it just me, or does anybody else hate the feeling of corn in their teeth, between their teeth? Hot. How's the crab?
Good, very good.
Look at that. That's a meaty oyster.
No, that's mussel.
Sorry, meaty mussel. Yeah, this one doesn't have oysters.
Stop.
The tomatoes are so sweet. Lots of bell pepper in here too. Okay, I caught it all in my hand. Got lucky. Try to lick it up. Oh, look at that meat. Look at that one. Wow. Wow. Guys, you have to come here. The Oyster Bar at Atlantis. So I've heard mentioned that if you buy shellfish, like lobsters, crabs, they have more meat during the full moon. Let me know if you guys have noticed anything, whether crab has more meat or less meat during a full moon. Just leave a comment down in the comments. Let me know.
Finally.
I haven't tried the mussels yet. Man. Good. Want another one? And I'm gonna leave room for dessert.
The sauce, the soup,
The sauce?
the sauce.
You want some?
No, it's like chipino sauce.
Yeah, the sauce is like chipino sauce or maybe even jambalaya. A lot of meat in this crab. Look at that. It just slides right out. Wow. Cheers. Don't want to waste that. We drove all the way from San Francisco to Reno to have a San Francisco crab pot. But it was totally worth it. Say hi to the viewers.
Right the other side.
Yes, other side over here.
Right? So come in easy.
They won't recognize you with the mask on.
Right, that's true. Only the eyes.
Right there. So what do you think, Gina? You have room for creme brulee
Yes.
or a key lime tart?
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee?
You have to finish all that.
I have to finish everything?
Yes.
Challenge accepted. Oh, I found a spoon in here.
Swim.
How'd that get in there? We have to rewind the video and see at what point the spoon slipped into the soup.
Only the eyes.
Right there. So it's just me now, eating this food. Gina has already tapped out, threw in the towel, gave up.
Next.
I need to tackle that.
This.
Yeah, we're done with this. Oh, wait, one more potato. Okay, don't want to waste food. Thank you, Aziz.
This one too, right?
Yeah, that too. Thank you. And these two. Thank you. So, I've been trying to lose weight for years. This is why I can't lose weight, because I have to eat her food. Eleonora, if you're watching this, let me know if I'm doing this right. Buon appetito.
See, the shrimp is muscle. They're not fishy. It's good. Very good. It's fresh. That means it's fresh.
Yeah, so Gina just commented that the seafood tastes very good. It doesn't have a fishy smell or fishy taste to it, which means it's fresh. So this is good stuff. I mean, even though Reno is several hours inland from the ocean, they manage. Yeah, they manage. I honestly have not eaten this much in a long time. Right? So you know it's got to be good. I'm running out of batteries. I'm going to pause it here, and we'll resume when the dessert arrives. So Gina just stepped out for a couple of minutes to use the restroom, and while I'm sitting here waiting for the dessert to arrive, one of the waiters walked by, and I guess he recognized me from the last time we were here. He's originally from San Diego. And he walked by and says, "Hey, good to see you again. You know, nice to see you. Glad you made it back." So I was really surprised because I didn't recognize him. Oh, thank you, Sherry. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That's the creme brulee with a raspberry drizzle. so tempted to dig in, but I gotta wait till Gina gets back. Oh wait.
Do we need this?
I don't think we need that, no. They just brought it.
Okay, just take a little bit.
One of the waiters walked by and said, "Oh, nice to see you again. Welcome back." I think you recognized us from when we were here the first time a couple of years ago with Anthony.
Yeah.
Yeah. The guy that was from San Diego.
Yeah.
Good raspberry sauce.
Not eat much, okay? Like Anthony's.
So Anthony, so honestly, I've had better creme brulee. Anthony made some creme brulee a couple of weeks ago, right? Yeah, when was that? I don't know. A few weeks ago, which was actually really good. This is okay. I don't care for the crust. I prefer if it wasn't one. I prefer it in a ramekin. Okay, and done. Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed this mukbang video experience. It was our first. Let me know if you all liked it and if you're interested in seeing more. We had a good time here. Food was really good. The experience was really nice. The atmosphere is really nice, and of course the service is great as well. So if you ever come to Reno, stop at the Atlantis and grab a meal at the Oyster Bar. All right, talk to you later.